Where was it? Do we know where it was before 7/11?
Well, the documentary evidence actually matches the pollen evidence. And you'll get to the pollen evidence on the shroud, but there's pollen on both the shroud and the sudarium. And the pollen on the sudarium is from, Oviedo is in the very northern part of Spain, kind of in the center of the coast, about 15 or 20 miles inland in the mountains of Asturias. So there's pollen from around there. There's pollen from around Toledo, right in the middle of Spain. And then there's pollen from North Africa, probably the area around Alexandria, which is where the documentary evidence says it was after Jerusalem and before Spain. Right. And then there's pollen evidence from Jerusalem.
So all of this, at the very least, we would have to say, not only from knowing where it was in the church, but even beforehand, the pollen and the documentary evidence, that we're firmly in antiquity.
Oh, yeah.
And call it whatever, the 6th century. Though many people would say, no, it actually goes to the 1st century.
Right.
But I guess my point is, if we know for a fact that we can place this in antiquity, and the skeptics of the Shroud of Turin are arguing that it's a medieval forgery, then how do the images match perfectly?